show you where to go and what to do. Follow me. All right, so when you get here, you're just gonna come straight through the double doors, come straight down this hallway. When you get to the end of the hallway, you're gonna make a right. All right, once you arrive, we have two classrooms in Cincinnati. There's classroom A, and then there's classroom B. The new class is gonna be starting in classroom B, so just come on in here. All right, so this will be the second video in this series of videos where we just take some of the most commonly asked questions about Elite Welding Academy, and we're gonna answer them on YouTube for all of you. All right, so with that said, first question.
Elite Welding Academy.
Really appreciate the fact that you all trusted us to teach you how to become a welder. We've been in business now for almost 42 years. And as we go through that, we always want to be able to change and advance and improve our skills and be able to transfer those on to the folks that are going to take over the next generation. And so it's great to see that we've got people committed coming into our trade. It's a great trade. It's suited my family. I'm third generation now when it comes to the construction side. My guess is if I went back farther down the gene tree, it probably started a while farther back than that. But it's been great for my family and several of us as we go down through our history. And so we appreciate you for starting your history in the industry with us. And I can assure you.
Award of Excellence go to
Jacob Front. Thomas Bautis.